So how do you set the default cycle temperature on a Huebsch or Speedqueen touchscreen machine? If you notice, as this particular laundromat has, you have the option of going from cold to warm to hot. But we want to make sure that you're saving money, and if you don't need hot water, then you can save that energy money by leaving your cycles defaulted cold. Let the user decide if they want to change it to hot or warm or what have you. So how do you set your default temperature as cold? This is how you do it. You go into the programming menu, you go to settings, and now you go to cycle settings. And in the different cycles, you've got all of the different things that you can do. Cycle programming. In this particular case, we're going to first change the normal cycle. That is our default cycle. We're just going to hit that. And here it has all different kinds of stuff that you can change on that particular cycle. Water levels and all that kind of stuff like that. Don't need to worry about that. We want to go to user temperature override. And so now here, you'll see that you'll have different things checked. In this particular case, it has cold, warm, and hot, but you can also have other different options. Instead of saying cold, warm, and hot, you can actually put degrees of temperature in there if you wanted to, so that the customer would see what, in theory, the temperature of the water would be. In this particular case, what I like to do is just simply say, okay, your default temperature right here is set to warm. We're going to click on that. We're going to change it to cold. Now your default temperature is at cold. You can hit exit, save and exit. And now when you go to normal, your default temperature is cold. People can still change it if they want, but it will always start at cold. Now colors we got to change, whites and delicates we have to change. If you noticed, I talked about the different temperatures that you could have. Instead of hot, warm, cold, you could actually have a number there. And we've got a couple cycles that actually have numbers there as well. But how you would change that from a number to just hot, warm, and cold, do the exact same thing I just showed you how to do, but instead deselect the numbers and change it to warm, hot, cold.